Sunshine bright, the sky clear. Hear the voice we all can hear. Them think the culture fade away, but the roots no stray. Every drum beat, every rhyme, carry truth through time. Me see the youth them plant again in the heart of mountain plain. Roots no bend, roots no break. It grow for the people's sake. Me walk with pride, me walk with soul. Me chant for peace, me chant for whole. History written by the few, but Jah reveal what true. Them can't erase the lion roar. We stand firm forevermore. Me chant for unity, me chant for love. Every heart blessed from above. Rise at the roots, rise again. Watch the world from Babylon chain. One heart, one song, one flame. Jah glory no man can tame. Plant the love, watch it grow. Let the righteous always know. Me see the children dance and sing. Roots vibration, healing bring. Ancient stories still untold, worth more than silver or gold. Me teach the youth, fi honor the land. Keep Jah spirit close at hand. Elder teaching a market square. Keep the roots, show the care. Every hand plant seed of love. Blessing come from up above. Me hear the rhythm flow, the drums beat strong. Lift the people with the song. Roots connect every soul. We all part of one whole. Me see the sign, me see the time. Jah reason through the rhyme. Yeah. Rise of the roots, rise again. Wash the world from Babylon chain. One heart, one song, one flame. Jah glory no man can tame. So keep the roots within your hand. It build a nation, heal the land. One love, one heart, one song. Together we rise, we stand strong. Blaze up on the mountain peak. Flames of Zion rise and speak. Not of terror, not of war, but the fire of truth we adore. Vision bright, heart ignite. Every spirit bathed in light. Ancient prophets whisper still. Zion fire reveals Jah will. Echo roll across the plain. Wash away the guilt and pain. Iron chain they melt away. Babylon fortress start decay. No machine, no weapon strong can withstand Jah holy song.
Na ganja is the medicine, yeah man. Garden blooming Zion land, planted by the Father's hand. Every flower, every tree, Zion garden set me free. It grow the herbs, it grow the fruit. Zion garden jar root. No Babylon can spoil the ground. Zion garden all around. Zion garden lush and green, sweetest beauty ever seen. Every leaf a holy flame. Zion garden praise his name. It feed the children, feed the poor. Zion garden always more. Forever holy, never gone. Zion garden shining strong. It heal the weary, lift the low. Zion garden make it grow. Forever fertile, pure and wide. Zion garden holy tight. Me plant me seed in morning sun. Zion garden never done. It bless the harvest, bless the rain. Zion garden heal the pain. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion garden carry you. It grow the truth, it grow the song. Zion garden just strong. It bloom eternal, never fade. Zion garden jar made. No Babylon can dry the land. Zion garden by Jahan, forever fertile, lush and free. Zion garden destiny. It grow the herb, it grow the love. Zion garden gift from above. When the trumpet sound again, Zion garden still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion garden bring Jah peace. From dawn of time till judgment day, Zion garden show Jah way. Eternal harvest, pure and strong. Zion garden Jah song. Grow high, grow free. Zion garden eternity. No drought, no war can spoil the soil. Zion garden bless the tile. Zion garden lush and green, sweetest beauty ever seen. Every leaf a holy flame. Zion garden praise his name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn, Zion garden still carry on.
Ay, ay, ay. Ganja and Zion Raga, yeah, man.
Me wake up to the ancient beat. Drum talk under me feet. Wine whisper through the trees. Carry Jah message pon the breeze. From Africa to Caribbean shore, me spirit open more and more. The call of the drum never fade. It echoed
through what Jah made. Me hear the elders chant them song. Say Rasta youth stand strong. Them rhythm pure, them message wise. Reach the heart, open eyes. Them teach me how to live upright, how to walk in Jah light. Every beat a prayer divine, connecting soul and time. Me see the world in confusion still. Them chase vanity, goal and thrill. But the drum remind me of me root, the melody of truth absolute. Me see the youth, them lose them way. Me chant fi bring them back today. Cause music heal what pain divide, and love not hide. Call off the drum, rise and play. Guide the people night and day. Beat for justice, beat for peace. Let the wickedness cease. Call off the drum, pure vibration. Unite every nation. Sound of freedom, echo strong. Rasta keep it long. Me close my eyes and me travel far. Beyond the moon, beyond the star. Me hear the ancestors whisper clear. Keep the drum, keep Jah near. Every rhythm tell a tale. Every song set sail. Me carry the sound through the storm. Truth in perfect form. Inna the market, inna the street. Drum beat under me feet. Children dance, women sing. Hope in everything. The world may shake but sound stay pure. The drum keep we secure. Long as the heartbeat still strong. We sing Jah song. Me no fear no system chain. Music heal me pain. From Shashaman to Kingston town. Drum never let we down. Every strike a spark of light. Burn through the darkest night. Jah rhythm guide me home. Never alone. Call off the drum, rise and play. Guide the people night and day. Beat for justice, beat for peace. Let the wickedness cease. Call off the drum, pure vibration. Unite every nation. Sound of freedom, echo strong. Rasta keep it long.
Zion Hackles,
We are the warriors, born in the fire. Heart full of strength, soul full of desire. The road ain't easy, but we stand tall. Guided by Jah, we answer the call. Them fight the light, them try to block the way. But we rise above, we see the break of day. Me hear the voices of the people cry. But the warriors of the light, we never shy. Me feel the power in the wind and the sea. The strength of the earth, the roots of the tree. We fight for the truth, we fight for the right. We are the warriors, we stand for the light. Warriors of the light, we rise up strong. The power of Jah, it make we belong. No fear, no doubt, no turning back. Warriors of the light, we stay on track. Warriors of the light, we fight for the truth. We stand in the fire, we stand in the youth. Jah Jah guide we through the storm and strife. We are the warriors, we live the life. Them try to put us in chains and in pain, but the warriors of the light, we break the chain. Me see the darkness, me see the fight, but me walk with Jah. Me carry the light. We stand on the front lines, we lead the way. We rise from the ashes, we rise every day. The system crumble, but we hold the key. The warriors of the light, we born to be free. Me see the battle, me see the rage, but Jah power break the cage. Through the fire, through the storm, we stay true, we stay warm. Warriors of the light, we rise up strong. The power of Jah, it make we belong. No fear, no doubt, no turning back. Warriors of the light, we stay on track. Warriors of the light, we fight for the truth. We stand in the fire, we stand in the youth. Jah guide we through the storm and strife. We are the warriors, we live the life. Through the darkness we find our way. Warriors of the light, we rise today. Me see the power in the eyes of the youth. The warriors arise, we speak the truth. Them try for break we, them try for bind, but the warriors of the light, we free the mind. We fight for peace, we fight for love. We fight for the justice Jah speaks above. Me see the battle, me see the field, but the warriors of the light, we never yield. In the struggle we find.
Aye, 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 aye. Yeah man, give me the paper, yeah man. Me hear the earth call out me name. Protect the life, protect the flame. Me kneel and touch the holy soil. Bless me time. The mountains speak, the river cry. Jah creation never lie. Man abuse the gift them get, still Jah not forget. Me chant for balance and care, clean the air. Me see the forest lose the leaf, world in grief. But love a stronger seed, planted indeed. Me teach the youth to love the land, work with Jah and we chant off the earth. Sing loud, lift the people, lift the crowd. Heal the ocean, heal the tree. Make creation free. Chant off the earth, righteous stone. Every creature Jah own. Respect the ground we tread. Live instead. Me feel the rhythm in the rain, wash away my pain. Thunder roll like I been the drum. Better days soon come. Me dance under the open sky, spirit high. Me hear the ancient song again, travel through each vein. It tell me man and earth same one, under Jah sun. So me chant till vice done gone, still live on. Creation singing perfect tone, we never alone. Every wave and every breeze, speak Jah peace. We chant off the earth, sing loud, lift the people, lift the crowd. Heal the ocean, heal the tree. Make creation free. Chant off the earth, righteous stone. Every creature Jah own. Respect the ground we tread. Live instead. Earth and man together stand, one divine hand. Me chant till morning rise. Bless the skies.
Morning breeze a whisper truth, carry hope for every youth. Drums a beat like ancient call, lift the spirit, stand up tall. Me walk through lane where shadows dwell, hear the people stories tell, but deep inside a brighter flame. Keep the soul from fall to shame. Every step I build me mind, strength in places where hard to find, harmony rise in every sound. Push me forward, hold me ground. Storm a come but me still hold firm. Life a school and we all must learn. When the burden heavy upon me back, me push ahead, no time for slack. Voices join in unity strong, turn the struggle into song. Hope I grow with steady pace, light a shine in every face. Rising at the heartbeat, rise again. Feel the rhythm flow through every vein. Lift the spirit, chase away the night. Hold the faith and step into the light. Rising at the heartbeat, never fall. One vibration for one and all. Me hear the elders reason wise, say strength is born when courage rise. Me hold them words like sacred fire, burn the doubt, lift me higher. Forward ever truth me guide. Hope I dwell deep inside. Every breath a healing start. Warm the coldest part. Crowd a gather, drum a beat. Joy return in every street. Voices blend in melody pure. Bring the healing when we endure. Feet a move and hands a sway. Music blaze the worry away. Harmony in every tone. Lift the massive as one throne. No division, no despair. Peace a flow through every prayer. Hand in hand we stronger be. Unity unlock the key. Time for build and time for grow. Love I lead the way we go. Rising at the heartbeat, rise again. Feel the rhythm flow through every vein. Lift the spirit, chase away the night. Hold the faith and step into the light. Rising at the heartbeat, never fall. One vibration for one and all. Rise up higher, shine so bright. Spread the blessing through the night. So when the journey feel too long, hold the power of your song. Beat the drum and keep it true. Better days are go come for you. Rising on the heartbeat still. Follow hope and follow will. Rising on the heartbeat still. Follow hope and follow will. Na na na. Na 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 na. heart of a lion beat inside. No fear, no pride. Me hear the drum of truth start roll, echo through my soul. Me stand against Babylon wall, still me nah fall. Them spread fear, them spread lies, but me see through them disguise. Jah give me strength to carry on till the morning sun. Me hear the people call for change, voices strong and strange. Me see the children dance again, wash away the pain. Heartbeat steady like a drum, Jah kingdom come, come. Lion heart beat strong and pure, love are the only cure. Rise above the noise and fear, Jah always near. Lion heartbeat never slow, keep the righteous flow. Every step me take me see, Jah live in me. Me walk through the shadow place, still me see Jah face. No weapon formed against me stand, protected by Jah and me hold me faith when night fall. Hear Jah call, me feel the beat within the ground. Ancient holy sound, it guide me back to who me be. Spirit set me free, lion heart no bend no break, love awake. Courage come from deep inside, truth can't hide. When the world turn cold and rough, Jah love enough. Lion heart beat strong and pure, love are the only cure. Rise above the noise and fear, Jah always near. Lion heart beat never slow, keep the righteous flow. Every step me take me see, Jah live in. Lion heart beat till the end, love me defend. Me soul roaring Zion song, forever strong.
Aye, aye, aye. Ganja with Zion music, yeah man. Before the sun peak over hill, me hear the earth so calm, so still. Bird a sing them holy song, tell the world fi right the wrong. Me stretch me hand to Jah above, feel the warmth of perfect love. Me light me fire, me brew me tea. Morning in Zion set me free. Morning in a Zion, breeze so sweet. Drum of creation in a heartbeat. Every step a blessing true. Jah paint the sky in red and blue. Me walk the path through garden gate. Herb in bloom, me give thanks great. Me see the eld upon the stone, chant and reason both Jah throne. The youth them gather, smile so wide. Morning light in a them pride. No Babylon chain can bind. Zion dwell in heart and mind. The mountain mist start drift away, reveal the hills in gold array. The goats them climb the river shine. Every sign a Jah design. Me hear Naya Bingi drum from far, calling we to who we are. Morning bring the truth again. Zion life run through me vein. Rise up, morning call. Stand tall, Rasta never fall. Chalice burn vibration high. Praise Jah sun in the sky. Every leaf and every tree tell the story naturally. No man can dim Jah light. Morning push away the night. Me reach the clearing where people meet, sharing fruit and bread so sweet. Children dance in the morning ray. No Me pass the herb from hand to hand. One love circle pon the land. Morning time me feel so blessed. Zion spirit make me rest. Before the noon me lift me song. Fi keep the day both bright and strong. Every chant a seed we sow. In Jah garden it will grow. Morning in Zion never fade. It's the start of works we made. Me hold this light till day is done. Zion shine like the rising sun. Morning in a Zion, breeze so sweet. Drum of creation in a heartbeat. Every step a blessing true. Jah paint the sky in red and blue. Morning in a Zion, pure and bright. Guide we through the day and night.
Ganja and reggae. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Me take one step closer today. Jah guide me way through this storm and heavy rain. Still me chant refrain. Me been through trials, me been through fights, but never lose the sight. Jah wisdom led me road. Every load, every scar become a sign of Jah design. Me walk with purpose strong. Me sing me righteous song. Me see the people search for peace. Them soul want release. Me tell them hold on tight. Jah soon make all things right. Faith like fire, love like rain. Wash away the pain, no man can dim my flame. My call Jah name.
One step closer now.
Jah show me how.
One love, one life, one way.
Walk it every day. Me no stop, me no fall. Jah guide me through it all. Me see the mountain high, but my spirit fly. No obstacle too tall. Just an overall. Me chant for you, me chant for truth. Bless the wisdom of the youth. Me feel the drum beating on my soul. Rasta reach the goal. Every chant, every cry, lift me high. The journey long, but Jah near. No more fear. Me step by faith, not sight. Jah light my guide at night. Each breath me give tongue. No fear in the wrong.
One step closer now.
Jah show me how.
One love, one life, one way.
Me walk it every day. Me no stop, me no fall. Jah guide me through it all. So when the road get rough and wide, keep Jah inside. Every step me take through, Jah carry me through. Jah carry me through.
Na 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 na.
Me hear
day. Me walk along the quiet bank, give thanks for blessing. Where me tank, water shimmer, silver blue, carry secrets, all I knew. Me stop fi listen, touch the flow, feel a rhythm, deep below. It speak of trials, speak of win, teach how journeys must begin. A fisherman cast with patient hand, master of the tide and sun. He tell me stories about the sea, how every wave set people free. His wisdom simple, still profound, ground me thoughts with stable sound. He said take life step by step, every movement all a depth. River of echoes speak to me, guide my soul to clarity. Flowing wide, flowing strong, teach me how to right the wrong. River of echoes, ancient tune, glow beneath the rising moon. Carry truth down every mile, wash me heart and make it smile. Me cross a bridge of timber hole, hear footsteps of stories told. The wood play cards beneath me feet, steady pulse, so soft, so sweet. Me witness youth dance by the shore, free like never before. Them turn the river into stage, calm the mind and lock the cage. Nightfall dress the world in blue, crickets start fi sing anew. Moonlight kiss the water skin, make it glow from deep within. Me feel the truth rise up again, flow through me like healing rain. The river carry joy and tears, stories stack from ancient years. Listen close, the current speak, words of strength for when you're weak. Follow where your spirit go, life flow sure like river flow. River of echoes speak to me, guide me soul to clarity. Flowing wide, flowing strong, teach me how to right the wrong. River of echoes, ancient tune, glow beneath the rising moon. Carry truth down every mile, wash me heart and make it smile. So when the nights get too heavy, find a river calm and steady. Sit and listen, let it show the peace within, the ebb and flow. Ebb and flow, 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 ebb and flow.
Jah bless the people, yeah man. In the circle gather round, roots of the drum shake the ground. Heartbeat rhythm, ancient tone, carved in wood, eternal stone. Every strike a sacred flame, every beat exalt your name. From the forest, from the earth, drum proclaim the holy birth. Away. Voices rise in harmony, drumbeat set the spirit free. Not of weapon, not of war, drum unite the near and far. Call the people, guide them way, roots of drums still play today. Sound eternal, sound divine, drum a lifeline every time away. Dance begin, the circle wide, drum connect them side by side. Sufferer smile, warrior sing, roots
Roots of drum beat strong and bold. Even when the chain them bind, still the rhythm free the mind. Every echo tell the tale. Truth of Zion must prevail. Roots unbroken, pure and true. Drum remind what people knew. Boom, boom, steady flow. Roots of drum forever grow. Beat, beat, sacred line. Roots of drum, eternal sign. Roots of the drum, strong and clear. Carry the message year to year. Never fading, never gone. Roots of drum still play on. Forever sounding loud and free. Roots of drum for unity. Oh, way, 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 oh, way. Oh, way, 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 way.
Ay, ay, ay. Reggae of Zion, King, yeah, man. Oh. Early morning juke on me locks. Me step barefoot over river rocks. Me path narrow, but me soul wide. Me carry Jah light on the inside. Me chant psalms from me heart core. Rhythm guide me like never before. Each step a prayer, each breath divine. Me walk in tune, me life aligned. This a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love and Jah name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One lover lead me every day. Missy mountain, Missy valley, me pass city and small alley. Some try test I, throw me shade, but Jah give I strength, me never afraid. Me humble like lion, who know him power. Me rise like sun, hour by hour. Me reason with trees, me dance with breeze. Me find peace in roots melodies. Me meditate under blue sky. Question life, but never ask why. Cause every leaf and drop a rain teach I something, fi ease the pain. Me nah compete, me nah chase clock. Time nah real pan, Rasta rock. Me just move steady, slow and true. Jah carry me carry you. This a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love and Jah name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One lover lead me every day. Me meet elders pon me trail. Them share wisdom like holy grail. Them say Rasta youth, keep your fire. Burn them lies, rise up higher. Me chant rhythm under moonlight. Stars blink like them know I fight. Me path long but me vision clear. Me know Zion soon draw near. So if you lost
look inside. Jah compass there, fi be your guide. No need fi fear, no need fi rush. Just feel the earth, feel Jah touch. We all day on sacred ride. Some slow, some quick, some try hide. But truth call I like drumming breeze. Come walk with I, come find peace.
Zion music bless the people, yeah man. Me step barefoot on the morning dew, with chalice in hand, me trod through. Mountain breeze whisper secrets all. Me heart beat steady, me soul feel bold. Each leaf a teacher, each tree a guide. Me walk with Jah right by me side. Me nah need map, me nah need plan. Jah light me way in this blessed land. Irie trails where me spirit dance. Hype and herbs in a mystic trance. One jar deep, me mind set free. Me live each moment like eternity. Me sit under fig tree, light me spliff. Give thanks for life, each sacred gift. Bird them chant, river flow sweet. Me chant psalms with ancient beat. No city nice, no digital screen. Me vision clear, me soul stay clean. Meditation roll like thunder cloud. Me thoughts come low, me chant out loud. And when Babylon call, me not hear. Me dwell in peace, far from fear. Me find me joy in the roots and stone. Me build me temple from herbs alone. Me gather herbs in a woven sack. Me carry wisdom pon me back. Each leaf a blessing, each draw divine. Me connect with Jah time after time. Irie trails where me spirit dance. Hype and herbs in a mystic trance. One draw deep, me mind set free. Me live each moment like eternity. Me blaze for the youth, them lost in town, who never feel earth underfoot ground down. Me call them to hills, call them to light. Show them stars in a darkest night. Me share me fruits, me share me flame. One world, one blood, all the same. No ego, no hate, inna me gate. Just love and vibes, me meditate. Yeah, me na follow trend, me na wear mask. Me na chase likes, me na do task. Me just chant truth like Rasta should. Me live in harmony, me life feel good. So if you seek peace, come trod with I. Will blaze a spliff beneath the sky. No hurry, no worry, just pure bliss. Each step a prayer, each puff a kiss. Zion echoes echo far and wide. We bring the roots where truth reside. One rhythm, one sound, one eternal flame. And Jah know I never walk in vain. Le, 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 le. Yo, na 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 na.
Yeah. Sunrise tap me shoulder, warm like old friend greeting. Me align my breath with the early chant of nature. Street still quiet, but me heartbeat create the tempo. Me walk smooth, leaving doubts behind like dust. Every thought clear, every step all purpose. Daylight stretch out long, offering new chapters. Me hear rhythm in the wind, soft but confident. It shape me stride, uplift me core. No need to rush, the journey guide itself. Me follow the pulse like a hidden drum line. Golden step rhythm, move with steady mind. Carry me forward, leaving all stress behind. Golden step rhythm, lift me spirit clean. Make every moment bright like unseen dream. Me greet life with gratitude, even when clouds gather. Every storm teach growth, every struggle refine clarity. Me rise above confusion, keeping balance firm. Light inside stays strong through every shift. Voices of unity echo around the lanes. People share, smile, lifting the whole vibe. Even small gestures build bigger harmony. Me join the wave of positivity rolling through the place. Move simple, breathe deep, keep the rhythm pure. Everything aligned when intentions stay clean. Golden step rhythm, move with steady mind. Carry me forward, leaving all stress behind. Golden step rhythm, lift me spirit clean. Make every moment bright like unseen dream. Day close soft, but me vibe remain warm. The rhythm continue inside, guiding me till dawn. No. Early dawn. No. Yeah. Early dawn breeze kiss me fierce. Whole world slow in a peaceful pace. My spirit rise with the morning glow, calling me forward, feel let love grow. Me wander through the city lane, hear footsteps echo joy and pain. Some people searching, some people hide, but every soul drifting pon the same tide. Me whisper strength to the broken youth, tell them stand firm, walk with truth. Me see them eyes light up again, hope bloom fresh like after rain. Me pass the market, colors bright, voices mix in pure delight. Elder tell stories deep and wise, about how unity lift we to the skies. Me soak it in like sacred rhyme, words were sharpen every time. Me heart beats steady on the road, carry the weight of a peaceful load. Golden tide flow, lift we higher, warm up the world with gentle fire. Every heartbeat find its place, every soul shine with grace. Golden tide flow, never fade, turn every shadow into shade. Rise as one, let love decide. We move together on the golden tide. Me see a mother calm her child, tell him why the world feel wild. Her voice so soft, her courage tall, a reminder love outshine it all. People gather near the shore, sing them chants from long before. All rhythm move through every ear, call the people far and near. Nightfall spread a velvet glow. Stars them flicker like a show. The drums start beating steady waves, carrying memories of ancient days. Every dance step tell a tale. Faith sails strong like mighty gale. Me feel the unity deep inside, flowing soft like the golden tide. Lift up your mind, lift up your soul. Together we strong, together we all. No fear can break what love create. Every heart born fi elevate. Hear the breeze, hear the beat. Let the harmony make you complete. Golden tide flow, lift we higher. Warm up the world with gentle fire. Every heartbeat find its place. Every soul shine with grace. Golden tide flow, never fade. Turn every shadow into shade. Rise as one, let love decide. We move together on the golden tide. So when the night feel cold or wide, let your spirit be your guide. Hold the joy we live inside and float forever on the golden tide. Golden tide. Golden tide. Golden tide.
Na na na. Me step in a garden cool and bright. Blessed sight. Me smell the herb, me feel the peace. Sweet release. Jah hand in every leaf me see. Harmony. Me plant me seed with love and care. Open ear. Every root, whole life so tight. Pure light. No poison, no greed, me sow. Just grow. Jah garden bloom wide and clear. Me draw near. Me see the butterfly and bee work naturally. Them no rush, them flow in tune. Sun and moon, me learn to live same way each day. Jah garden teach me grace in this place. Jah garden bloom, color bright, full of light. Jah garden bloom, sweet and strong, right every wrong. Jah garden bloom, color bright, full of light. Jah garden bloom, sweet and strong, right every wrong. Me share the fruit with me brethren round. Bless sound, me teach the youth fi till the land. By Jah hand, no hunger, no hate me preach. Just reach Jah garden truth and song. Keep me strong. Me sit and reason with me queen. Peaceful scene, she smile and say life's sweet. When heart meet, we build Jah world again, free from pain. Jah garden bloom forevermore. Love restore, me no war with nature, me flow. Jah know every bloom a scripture clear. We all here, Jah garden feed the soul, make we whole. Jah garden bloom, color bright, full of light. Jah garden bloom, sweet and strong, right every wrong. Jah garden bloom, color bright, full of light. Jah garden bloom, sweet and strong, right every wrong. Jah garden bloom, tall and free, oh, color bright, full of light. Jah garden bloom, morning lead you, sweet and strong, right every wrong. Jah garden bloom, wide and fair, color bright, full of light. Jah garden bloom, morning lead you,
Jah birth, plant love, plant truth. Inna the youth, Jah garden bloom again without end.
Aye, aye, aye. This iron, Rasta way, man. We have Zion, pure and bright, guide the children through the night. It shine eternal, never fall. Zion, way for all. No Babylon can block the road. Zion, way heavy load. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion, way carry you. Zion, way clear and long. Keep the people standing strong. Every step a holy flame. Zion way exalt his name. It guide the humble, guide the meek. Zion way all people seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion way shining strong. He bless the children, bless the man. Zion way Jah plan. Forever glowing wide and free. Zion way destiny. Me see it blazing morning sun. Zion way never done. It lead the nation, lead the youth. Zion way Jah truth. Forever holy, strong and bright. Zion way Jah light. It Holy Spirit, Holy Soul. Zion way make we whole. It shine eternal, never fade. Zion way Jah made. No Babylon can hide this sign. Zion way divine. Forever blazing pure and long. Zion way Jah song. It guide the people, guide the land. Zion way Jah hand. When the trumpet sound again, Zion way still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion way bring Jah peace. From dawn of time till judgment day. Zion way show Jah way. Eternal walking firm and strong. Zion way Jah song. Walk high, walk free. Zion way for you and me. No chain, no wall can block the